Good bugs are great for the garden and you want to attract as many as possible. So I'm going to show you how to do it by making this cool little bug house. You'll need some pine, a handsaw, hammer, drill, some masonite backing, a few screws and nails, as well as some logs, bamboo and pine cones to make a home for the mini beasts. Start by cutting 4 equal lengths, about 200 mil long, using a nice sharp saw like this with triple ground teeth. Once you've got your 4 pieces, screw them together to form a box. Simply pre-drill some pilot holes first before driving in any screws so the wood doesn't crack or split. So I've just attached 2 pieces for the roof. I've made it look like a home for our mini beasts, but you can make it any shape you like. And now it's time to attach our backing board. And now it's ready to fill with our bug-loving ingredients. We want to attract beneficial bugs into the garden, those mini beasts that help to clean up pests and pollinate our plants. So I'm going to drill some holes in these logs to provide some space for our bugs to hang out. Just be sure to drill a mix of different depths and sizes to accommodate a range of bugs. Fill the bug hotel with our drilled bits of logs, our pine cones, some lengths of bamboo. Now it's all ready to hang and welcome our mini guests.